In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily move visuals in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever tried to nudge a chart or card and suddenly the numbers changed or a part of the visual lit up, you've bumped into Power BI's interactivity. Many visuals respond to a simple click by filtering, cross-highlighting, or showing tooltips, which is great for analysis, but frustrating when all you want to do is reposition something on the canvas. Here's the clean, reliable way to move a visual without triggering any interactions. Hover your cursor over the visual you want to move, and instead of clicking once and then dragging, press and hold the left mouse button and begin dragging immediately. Don't single click first. That immediate click and drag tells Power BI you're moving the object, not selecting data inside it. As you drag, you'll see the outline of the visual follow your cursor, and you can place it exactly where you want. Release the mouse button to drop it into position. To make this even smoother, try starting your drag from the title bar or the outer border of the visual. Those areas are less likely to activate a data point or trigger tooltips. If the visual shows a hover effect, glide into the click and drag in one motion to bypass that. Move slowly for precision and use the canvas guides to help line things up neatly so your report looks polished and consistent. Now, if you need to move a visual from one page to another within the same report, you don't have to recreate it. Select the visual so the selection outline appears, then press Ctrl+X to cut it. Cutting removes the visual from the current page, but keeps it ready to paste, preserving its fields, formatting, size, and interactions. Navigate to the destination page in your report and paste it with Ctrl+V. Or use the paste option from the ribbon or right-click menu. The visual will land on the new page, and you can immediately drag it into the exact spot you want using the same immediate click and drag technique. A couple of quick reminders to keep things stress-free. Cut moves the visual, while copy makes a duplicate, so use cut when your goal is to relocate. If you paste and change your mind, undo with Ctrl+Z. And if your canvas is crowded, zooming in can help you place visuals with more accuracy. That's all you need. Use immediate click and drag for on-page moves and cut and paste for page-to-page moves, and you'll reposition visuals without accidentally interacting with your data.